guys, welcome back to my channel, The Nature and the Wild. So as you can see, it's getting warmer little bit day by day. It's so I decided to go out with my Canon Eos R7 and RF 500, and I heard that there are a lot of blue throat nowadays people can see, so I decided to go and check them out if I can get some nice picture. I already see a nice robin sitting in the porch, but yeah, this place is getting nicer day by day. So new birds, mostly robin, blauwrost or blue throat, lot of strong thrush and chiff chaff, long tail tealt, so different kind of birds we can see. So let's see how it works. So I can give you a small lookout of the place. I'll stop talking now so you can hear the birds singing around. Small bird, look. So guys, it's a little thick. I just got look very nice. If I can go a little bit more closer, that would be better, but the angle is still not that good. But I can show you how the pictures look like. It's nice and quite sharp. So guys, you can have a nice look of the picture. This looks perfectly fine and absolutely nice. So guys, I can give you a nice lookout of this place. I think there is something else I can see on the tree, and it looks like a wagtail, or maybe a magpie. It's a bit far, I can't recognize what is that. But let's walk slow. Oh, as none of that, it's a blackbird. Actually, the blackbirds basically sings very well. Their voice is very sweet. So, just in front there is a place where they said we have all the blue throat. They have seen. So, I will go closer and try to see if I can have some of them. Nice picture. So guys, if you can see, there is a forest horse. Actually, they left a lot of horse here in the forest. They are free to roam. They go everywhere. And one time, one lady was so scared because the horse just started running towards her. Normally they are very nice. They don't say anything. You can see the horses there. I can show you. It's very nice. The mysterious horse. Stay there. So guys, nice. So guys, thanks for staying with me. Please like and subscribe my channel, and see you next time. Yeah, it's a very nice place.
Very nice.
Just people need to little bit intellectual
Yes.
and keep this place nice, and then
Exactly.
we'll
Then
see
we can
more
enjoy.
birds year by year.
Exactly.
Yeah, because if we disturb them all the time running and walking and all,
Yes,
they're really
pity.
very bad. Yeah,
Very pity if they do it, eh?
yeah, definitely.
But on the other side, now this close, it's better for the birds.
Yeah,
You know that you can come back everywhere.
but they don't allow to go inside,
Yes.
and by the time they're allowed to go, like
Yeah.
in the end of April, is everything is done.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's very pity.
Hey guys, thanks a lot for staying with me. It was a little bit exhausting. I had to walk a lot, and then I finally found the blue throat, and it was really great to take some lovely photos, some pictures, and I also made nice videos. I will put it in the video. So guys, the Canon Eos R7 paired with RF 500 is a brilliant and deadly combination. I always suggest people please go if you really want to buy it. At 7.1 aperture is really not a problem if you have nice light. So today, whatever pictures, videos I have been taking, my ISO never passed the 400. So sometimes was 500, but not more than that. And I think at 400, 500 with a camera like Canon R7, really nice, and it can easily handle that kind of ISO. So thanks a lot. So put your questions, your comments in my comment box, and let me know what you want to know. I will be getting back to you, and I'm very good in getting back to the people. So please support me and help me in this journey. Thanks a lot. See you next time.